painted my container. These are the posts. So it's been a couple days here, intense as usual. So yeah, here's the sign I made. We have to fix this eventually. Walking. Yeah, the guys are not working today. Sunday, it's good for them. So here's your container, Andrea's container. And there's a lot of cleanup to do, but we'll do that with the boys when they come. A lot of wood that we can use to do some fire, you know. Here it is, man. Painted on your side as well. The cistern. Here's the beach. Here's the beach, man. People everywhere, but it's never too crowded. Nice. Perfect spot. Perfect spot. Andrea's quarter. And here we have a common area. We obviously have the beach. But here is like in the mangrove. It's protected. There's a couple trees that are dead. I will just cut the branch that are dead, and then we'll be able to build some patio here, put some pavers or something, you know, plant some grass or something, likely grass at the beginning, you know, clean it up. A lot of space right here in the middle. Right here in the middle, a lot of space with very nice trees. So the sun is, yeah, there's some cloud, yeah, but we have some shade here. So if we start taking care of those trees, the branches that are dead, we're gonna have more shades. So here's the mangrove that we will be protecting. There's a couple standing water there that we will eventually take care of by leveraging this water to water the plant. And yeah, this is a pretty large area. Large area. So again, some of the water here. Left we have area that we will be having like a picnic table and things like that, you know. And here's my path in my container. I just need to take care of some of the branches, so it's not, people doesn't, you know, poke their eyes out or something. But naturally there's a lot of space. And here's my container. So my container again is gonna be right here on the left side. Right here on the left side. You know, and then I'm gonna have a deck in front, a deck on the side, cistern in the back. Container is gonna be gone, so I'm gonna have all this space, available space here, where I can enjoy it with my family. So basically all the where your container sits, it's gonna be available space. So yeah, or we can have picnic and stuff, and tent, you know, when the kid comes with their friends, we can set up tent for them, we can use that. So all right, beach view, beach access, beachfront property.
Cerveza. Si no, no comprendía algo. No, no creo. Hay dominicanos que no diga eso. No diga eso. No creo. Yo atiendo un maricucho que tú no sabes cómo es. Me agua, no, si lo jala mucho lo va a pasar. Entonces tiene que ser tu cara. Eso la vista se lo lleva, calmado. Déjalo aquí, el que está en la jala por otro lado. Está muy doblado ahí, ¿verdad? Cuidado. Dale aquí un poquito, cuidado. Mira, ayuda al lado y se va.